morning students. In chapter 12 our today's topics are slide, flip and turn. Now first we will discuss slide. Slide takes place when a shape moves in one direction from one place to another. Now I have drawn these two shapes. So if we will slide this image, the resulting shape will be the same. Now we will draw same shape. In this also the resulting shape will be the same. Now the second is flip. A flip takes place when a shape is flipped across a line and faces the opposite direction. It means turn something over to make mirror image. So actually flip means mirror image. So we will draw mirror image of this. This is the mirror image of N, and mirror image of this is this. So these are the mirror image of these. It means these are the flips of these images. Next is turn. The definition of turn is a turn takes place when a shape is turned through an angle. Now this is the shape I have drawn T. Now rotating a plane figure is called a turn. If we rotate this turn, we can rotate in any direction, like this also, like this also, like this also. We can rotate in any direction that is called turn. Now exercise 12.4, question number 1, complete the following. These are the shapes: A part, B part, C and D. Now we will draw flip, slide and turn. In slide we will draw same shapes like this. Same shapes we will draw in slide. We will not change the figure. In flip we will draw mirror image. Now its mirror images. We will change the direction. This is the mirror image. Its mirror images, arrows direction is changed. This will be the same in mirror. Now next also, this is the mirror image. Now turn. In turn we can rotate in any direction this figure. We can turn like this also. This shape also. Like this also we can turn in any direction. Last is so these are the flip, slide and turn images of these figures. Exercise 12.5, complete the following patterns. Now first we will observe the given pattern. According to given pattern we will write the next numbers. Now in this pattern 5, 15, 45, 135. When 5 multiply with 3, 5 3s are 15, then 15 multiply 3, 45, then again multiply 3, 135. Now in this pattern the numbers are multiplying by 3. Then 135 also multiply by 3. Then answer is 405. Then again 405 multiply with 3, that is 1215. Then again multiply with 3, that is 36. 45. Now in next we will check the gap 11 minus 6. When we subtract 11 and 6 from 11, then 5 will come. We subtract 11 from 16, then also 5 is there. 16 from 21, then also 5 is there. 26 from 21, then also 5 is there. It means we will add 5 in this series. So 26 plus 5, 31, 31 plus 5, 36, 36 plus 5, 41. Now next series is 5, 12, 19, 26. In this also we will check the gap. 12 minus 5, 7. 19 minus 12, 7. Then again 26 minus 19, 7. So we will add 7 in this series. So 26 plus 7, 33. 33 plus 7, 40. Then plus 7, 47. Thank you and have a nice day.